Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog of the Canadian Traveler. So as you can see, I'm outside wearing some coveralls. What you probably don't know about me is when I'm not traveling around for pleasure, I'm traveling around for work. I guess you could say, in a sense, I am a professional traveler. This is my ride. This is what I do for a living. I drive this beautiful truck. Anyways, one of the cool things about traveling around, I've always got cameras running. I've always got my dash camera running, and it lets me see wildlife that often I wouldn't get the chance to see. I get to see many other things too, beautiful sunsets, sunrises, different cities and towns along the way. But for the case of this vlog, for the point of this vlog, we're going to be discussing animals, or not so much discussing, but I'm going to show you a couple of videos, what I think are pretty cool, of animals that I've seen along the way. So let's head inside the truck and have a look over there. So welcome inside my truck. I don't have the engine running right now because if I start it up, it'd be very difficult for you to hear me. But this is where I get to enjoy the view of a lot of wonderful things. Wildlife is one of my favorites. I've got a couple of videos, elk, some bighorn sheep. Some animals I don't get to see as often as I'd like to. I don't see very many moose. On occasion I do. Bears, they're one of my favorites. They're very unusual to see. I shouldn't say unusual, just you got to be at the right place at the right time. But anytime I get a chance to see wildlife, it's always a thrill. So enjoy these next few clips, and yeah, hopefully we'll get some more clips of some more animals and let you come on for a ride in the truck again. So what'd you think? That's my view of the world while I'm at work. Hopefully in the future we'll get some more great videos of either wildlife or some other cool things that we see along the way. If you liked the video, don't forget to click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell notification. That way you can stay up to date with all of the new videos that we're coming out with. And I look forward to seeing you again in the future.